absolutely gorgeous day it is. We are gathered here today to celebrate the joining in marriage of Emily Noel Garst and John Joseph Tedesco.
John, before I met you, I had never been in a relationship that started out as a friendship. When we first met, I wasn't interested in a relationship at all. With some convincing from my friends, I eventually decided to give you a chance. I soon learned that you are one of the most caring, positive, sensitive, friendly, and hardworking people that I've ever met. This year has been the hardest year of my life so far, by a long shot. However, this year has also made it very clear that I'm making the right choice by marrying you.
Emily, today is without a doubt the best day of my life. You've made me the happiest man in the world by taking these vows together in front of all of the friends and family that are here today. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with someone who brings the best part out of me each and every day. I love you, Emily Noel Garst.
I vow to love you through the best times and support you through the worst. I promise to give you a huge hug every morning. I vow to encourage you to pursue your dreams and not inhibit you from reaching your full career potential. I promise to celebrate your accomplishments and to always be your biggest fan. I promise to love your family like my own and be the best mother that I can be to our future children. I vow to make the most of every day, because forever with you isn't long enough. I love you.
I promise to be your best friend forever. I promise to always start the day with a hug. I promise to always put you and our family before work. And I promise to always love you, even if I am your second favorite JT.
And with that and the power invested in me by the internet, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss.
When you guys first met at the library, you insisted you just be friends. Countless nights studying quickly changed that. Throughout the next couple of years of college, when you guys moved to Texas together, I really got to witness your relationship grow and flourish. I can't wait to continue to watch your story unfold. You guys have come a long way, but in so many ways, this is just the beginning. I love you both so much. May the best days of your past be the worst days of your future. To the bride and groom, cheers.
I would actually like to start by saying, Emily, your father would be very proud of you today. I think that he's here today with all of us. And he's about to listen to the best best man speech of all time. Everyone, raise your glasses and join me in congratulating John and Emily and wishing them a happy and long marriage. And I hope your love is as strong as me. Peace out.